Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're coming to you from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for April. And this is a new video. We're calling it the Grand Tour. We're going to take you on a tour of the car show, show you what's out there, and talk a little bit about them. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. Alright guys, we're going to do a new video, new type of video. We're going to do the Grand Tour of this car show. Man, that's a nice looking Honda 2000. But yeah, check this Mustang out that's coming up. Man, that thing is sweet. Got the oversized rears. Oh man, it's cool. I think the apple of my eye is this Chevy right here. He's pretty, ain't he? But then everybody loves the red Mach 1 convertible. Of course, you got your Challengers. We're going to go around to the other side now. So we got 2 or 3 rows of cars for the car show here. But yeah, this car show attracts all kinds. It attracts BMWs, Mercedes, Camaros, Subarus, all kind of stuff. I really like this Trans Am up here and this Mustang beside it. Can't go wrong with a white Mustang. But there again, how many white and blue Pontiac Trans Ams do you see with the 6.6? Not very many. And this here's an oddball. It's the body of a Little Red Express, but under the hood has got a Magnum V8. See? A Hemi Magnum. Of course, we got the cool custom gangster mobile there and the Hot Wheels Blazer. I knew the owner that built that Blazer. He built that thing to the nines. That thing is sweet. Had a bunch of Camaros here, but they done left. Got hot. Nice looking 4Runner Jeep. Yeah, this here mystic looking Corvette is the organizer's car. He's a cool dude. Oh, look, a Miata for sale. One sweet looking Camaro SS. A couple of Caprices. Like I said, it tracks all kinds at this Yulee Cars and Coffee event. Yeah, we even got some representatives from the Jacksonville area Mopars out here with this Durango and the 2 Challengers beside it, or the Charger and the Challenger beside it, sorry. Don't want to get called ignorant. That is one really nice looking C10 right there. Lifted, slicker than anything out here. Now up here is something you don't see very much at cruise-ins anymore. A Viper. An OG Viper. And you don't see them much anymore. Anyway, that's going to wrap up this grand tour of the Yulee Cars and Coffee April monthly meetup. I hope you guys enjoyed this new video. Just something I'm playing around with. Something new for the channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you do enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We release a new video every day. It may not be from the car show of the week, but it will be a car show event video. So, we'll see you guys on the next one. All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for April. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please consider giving us a like, a subscribe, a comment, and a share. Share it around to all your car people or non-car people. We don't discriminate. And if you could, drop us a subscribe. Subscribe if you can, because it helps out the channel and helps us grow. And we're trying to grow the channel as much as possible and get monetized. So, like I always say, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.